Kitchen remodeling is a fantastic way to bring your Warrenton, Virginia home out of the dark ages and into a beautiful new modern light. Here are the upgrades to consider when planning your renovation. Cabinets are a big deal when it comes to adding value to your Fauquier County home. Whether you simply reface yours or go all in and replace them, you can create an entirely new aesthetic. Upgrading your countertops can brighten the entire room and allow you more workspace. In addition, if you currently have tile and grout, changing to a smooth surface will make maintenance much easier. A kitchen island is a fantastic idea for an upgrade. It is a highly versatile space that you can use to add more storage, relocate appliances, increase workspace, and improve your work triangle between the fridge, stove, and sink. Appliance upgrades are essential to consider. With energy-efficient appliances, you can save a ton of money on utility bills and have a more efficient experience in the kitchen. When you're ready to start your kitchen remodeling process in Warrenton, Virginia, turn to Miller Home Improvements for premium results. Call us today at 571-274-0513 to schedule a free estimate.